Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Civil Engineering Concept. So today we are going to analyze simply supported beam by using StatPro. So this is the question we are going to analyze using StatPro. Simply supported beam of length 10 meter carries a uniformly distributed load and 2-point loads. Draw shear force and bending moment diagram for the beam and also calculate the maximum bending moment. So this is the beam which is carrying 2-point load 40 kN, 40 kN and also one UDL force 10 kN per meter. The span of the beam is 10 meter. We are going to analyze this beam by using StatPro. For that, open StatPro software, new project, click space, give file name for your project, save your file in any one folder. Check length units and force units. Next, add beam. Click finish. You can get window like this. Close this window. Enter 0, 0. The span of the beam is 10 meter. So enter 10 in X direction. Our span is 10 meter. So enter 10 in X direction. Now you can get two nodes. Connect the two nodes by add beam command. Select add beam. Connect two nodes. Next, general. Support. We are going to give support. Our beam is simply supported. So select pinned. Select the support. Take node cursor. Select the node. Assign to selector nodes. Assign. Next, property, define. Our beam is rectangular beam. Size of the beam, give sizes 0.3 meter, 0.3 meter in both directions. Add, select the beam property, assign to view, assign. So after giving property, you can able to see 3D view of your beam by using 3D rendering icon. Next, we are going to give load. Select load and definitions, load case, add. Loading type det, title det load, loading type live, title live load, add, select det load, add, give simply self weight, apply. Next, select live load, add. We have concentrator load and UDL load. So first we are going to apply concentrator load 50 Newton, 40 Newton. So select concentrated force minus 50 kilonewton, minus indicate downward directions which is located 2 meter from A point. So give 2 meter. Second load 0.4 kilonewton which is located 6 meter. So enter 6, add. So first load 2 meter, second load 6 meter from A point. We have UDL 10 kilonewton per meter. So now we are going to give uniform force minus 10. Select uniform force. Enter minus 10. Our UDL start from 2 meter from A point. Our UDL end at 6 meter from A point. So give 2, 6, add. Now we are going to assign all these loads to our beam. Select self weight, assign to view, assign. Select live load, assign to beam, assign. Select next load, assign to view, assign. Select UDL, assign to view, assign. You can minimize your scale by using scale icon. So after giving support, property and load, now we are going to analyze this beam. Select command, analyze, perform analyze, OK. Next, analyze, run analyze, save. We get 0 error. So our work was correct, done. Post processing, apply, OK. Now you can able to get shear force and bending moment diagram. So this is the shear force diagram for our beam. You can able to see shear force values also by clicking results, view values, beam results. You tick bending moment and shear force values, annotate. Okay. Now you can able to see shear force values 80 kilonewton and 50 kilonewton. You can also able to see bending moment diagram. So maximum bending moment for our beam is 205 kilonewton meter. So now we are going to take image of required component. For me, shear force, bending moment and load case is required. So I am going to take photography of bending moment by clicking the photograph icon. Next I am going to take image of shear force diagram. Whatever picture you want, you can take image of that drawings. I also need load case diagram for my report. So I am going to take load case diagram image. Whatever image you want to be print in report, you can take image of that diagram. Give ID as load. Okay. Export processing. Report. Select input with whatever input you want to be print in final report file. You select your input. You can rearrange these parameters by using this arrow mark. Next give OK. Print. OK. Now you can say, get your final report. You can save this report in your folder. So my input, I get input beam of span 10 meter, which is having two nodes. This is the loading case diagram. This is shear force diagram. This is the bending moment diagram for our beam. So this is our final report. This is our final report for our simply supported beam. Thank you so much for watching my video.